Welcome to Arrigo Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale. It comes equipped with keyless entry, garage door transmitter, emergency communication system, Sync 3 911 assist, heated front seats, rear view camera, parking sensors, leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, Sirius XM satellite radio, speed sensing steering, electronic stability control, and has less than 35,000 miles on the odometer. Here at family-owned Arrigo Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, we have the best selection at unbeatable prices. For over 25 years, we've been providing a family atmosphere in a large town setting, and we care about our customers. Our friendly, multilingual staff will help you drive home today in a car or truck that is just right for you. So give us a call or stop by Arrigo Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram today.